BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachiti and I'm your host for this episode. You're listening to episode number 95 of season 3. Today's word is introspect. Introspect means to examine or analyze your own thoughts or ideas. Think over some idea or incident in depth. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word introspect. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Introspect is spelled as I-N-T-R-O-S-P-E-C-T. The word introspect expresses an action of analyzing and thinking over own thoughts or ideas. For example, it can be used after making a formal announcement about something. The person introspects whether he did the right thing. Listen carefully how we can use the word introspect in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. After a proper introspection, the CEO issued a circular that the staff should avoid coming to office on holidays. He felt that this would ensure a proper work-life balance. Wow! What is your take on this? Example number 2 of 8. Sheena's mother refused to let her join the dance classes. She wanted Sheena to spend more time studying, but later she introspected over her decision and gave permission. Example number 3 of 8. The challenge for the architect was to design a modern housing complex and yet retain the values of togetherness. He made several drafts, introspected, and then finalized the design. Example number 4 of 8. Mr. Khare was invited to be a guest speaker at the local gathering of Parijat Society. He met the residents a day before the event. He understood their sentiments and after a thorough introspection, prepared the speech for the next day. What is common between Economic Times, DNA newspaper and Zee Marathi? All these top media houses have covered success stories of BM English speaking professionals who have learned to speak English fluently and confidently. Do check our testimonial section on our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Om Meditation Center enrolls only 10 students per batch for their course. The course includes 1 full day of complete silence. This allows the participants to introspect about their thought processes and personal lives. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. Mrs. Bhatt was made the class teacher of Division 3, which had academically weaker students. Given this responsibility, she introspected over her teaching methods and prepared a plan of action to guide the students. Let us understand example number 7 of 8. The children often get influenced by the behavior pattern of their parents. This means the parents must introspect regularly if they are setting the right example for the children and act accordingly. Isn't this example relevant? Do share your comments on this one. Moving on to example number 8 of 8. The number of visitors visiting the EW amusement park was stagnant. Means at the same level for last 3 months. The owner and his senior team held an off-site meeting to introspect marketing strategies attempted so far. Today we learnt the word introspect, which means to examine or analyze your own thoughts or ideas. Think over some idea or incident in depth. Now quickly frame 3 sentences with introspect and type in the comments box. We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to enhance your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 95 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be uploading 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with the new word. Till then, take care.